Caitlin DeVore with KRC Machine Tool Solutions. I just wanted to give all of our customers a quick update right now on the status of KRC. With many states beginning to implement shelter-in-place policies, we wanted to let you know that in support of our customers classified as critical manufacturing, KRC has acquired essential business status and we are open for business. As always, the health and safety of our employees and our customers is our top priority. Therefore, we have implemented protective measures recommended by the CDC. Non-essential staff are working remotely. Safety precautions are being implemented if domestic air travel is absolutely necessary. Social distancing and strict cleaning policies are being practiced for those employees deemed essential for our day-to-day operations and who must be at work. At this time, KRC employees are healthy and we have no known cases of COVID-19. Taking these necessary precautions allows KRC to be equipped and ready to assist our customers at a multitude of different levels. We can still be on site supporting your equipment, or we also have an option to do video conferencing where we can support your equipment if being on site is no longer an option. We understand lack of manpower may be an issue at this time. Allow us to help be an extension of relief and support while facing these uncertain times. We can help bridge those potential gaps you're facing to ensure that your machines are up and running when the time passes and you're ready to get back into production. In fact, all of our solutions are still available. Whether you're looking for new machines right now, a custom machine design, or system integration, our CNC retrofitting and rebuilding, and facility maintenance and machine tool relocation and installation are also options and solutions available to our customers. We will continue to share updates if anything were to change to our operation during this time. Please do your part in staying healthy and safe. We wish you all nothing but health and safety right now and to be well. KRC is here for you and we hope to see you soon.